Do you also tend to gain weight during winters? A lot of people gain weight during winters. This is because during winters we crave a lot of food. We continuously eat throughout the day, and because the days are shorter, we don't go out for walks if we were earlier, and our physical activity is also reduced. So because your physical activity has reduced and your eating has increased, that means you are taking in more calories than you are burning. This will automatically make you gain weight. Now, there are a lot of studies that also say that during winters, we crave a lot of hot food. This is the reason we also eat a lot of these food and again gain weight. But this is not always the case. In winters, if you make sure that you're getting enough physical activity, plus if you're making sure that you're having and eating a proper healthy diet plan, which is suitable for winters, you will definitely lose your weight, or even if your goal is to just maintain your weight, you will be able to do this. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a full 7 days winter weight loss diet plan. Now this diet plan, like all our diet plans that we provide, is going to be easy to make, cost friendly and sustainable. So you will not just lose this weight right now, but you will also not gain it back in the near future when you slightly change your diet plan. In this video, you will notice that a lot of these foods are seasonal. So it is also recommended that in every season, you eat the seasonal foods that are available wherever you are at. Also, this 7 days diet plan is recommended for people who currently do not have any other health conditions. If you have any health conditions and if you're looking to achieve a specific fitness goal, then we would recommend you to join our personalized and customized meal plan programs. Over here, we will make a plan that is exactly suitable for you according to the health conditions that you have. If you want to know more details about this, please fill in the registration form that is in the description below. But for everyone else, let us start today's diet plan. We upload a new YouTube video every week. So if you want a lot of health and fitness videos, you want workout videos, you just want tips to stay healthy, lose weight, so do subscribe to our channel. Do also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So let us start your winter weight loss diet plan. In all our diet plans at GoFit, we always give you a morning drink. So we had recently uploaded a reel on our Instagram channel where I had given you 3 winter drinks that will help you lose weight and also boost your metabolism. Put the link for the Instagram reel in the caption below. You can check that out as well. So let us start with day 1. So on day 1, you will start your day with your morning drink, which is a hot warm cup of ginger tea. After say about 15 or 20 minutes, you will have your breakfast. For your breakfast on day 1, you're going to have a 1 whole wheat toast with half mashed avocado, plus you're going to add a few slices of tomatoes and a little bit of salt and pepper. If you don't want to have avocados, you can also have 1 boiled egg with the same thing on a whole wheat toast with tomatoes and salt and pepper. Always also encourage you to have a snack at 11 a.m. This could mean that you will have 1 piece of fruit with 1 cup of green tea. Lunch, we always give you things that are easy to carry to work. So if you are going to work, so it's very easy for you to just open a tiffin and eat. So for lunch, I'm going to give you a whole wheat tortilla wrap. Plus you're going to add in 60 grams of chicken in this. Plus you're going to have 1 cup of mixed vegetables with this. You can definitely add all your spices that you need. And again, at 6 p.m. you're going to have your snack. It could be 1 cup of green tea along with 1 piece of fruit, or you can also have granola. For dinner, you're going to have 1 bowl of chicken kadai with 1 roti, plus you're going to have 1 bowl of yogurt for this. If you need the recipe for the chicken kadai, I will be putting the link for it in the description below. You can check it out. For your day 2 of your 7 days diet plan, you're going to start your day with amla juice. For your breakfast, you're going to have 1 bowl of warm oatmeal. You can top this up with walnuts or almonds, and plus you can also top it with half banana or strawberries. For your 11 a.m. snack, you can again have your 1 cup of green tea and your fruit. For lunch, you're going to have a chicken and avocado wrap. This is going to be half avocado plus 60 grams of chicken. Plus you can also add a few vegetables. And for your 6 p.m. snack, you're going to have 1 bowl of granola. And for your dinner, you can have 1 bowl of moong dal plus side salad and also 1 roti. Side salad includes just 1 bowl of any salads, any vegetables that you have at home. It could be cucumbers, it could be tomatoes, it could be lettuce, anything. Just randomly pick whatever you have available in your fridge. For your day 3, again, you're going to start your morning drink. You can have a beetroot and pomegranate juice. Then for your breakfast, you can have a berry smoothie bowl, and you can top this up again with a few berries and walnuts. For your 11 a.m., you're going to have your snack. For lunch, you can have a lentil and vegetable soup. Again, if you want the recipe for this, link will be in the description below. 6 p.m. snack, you can have one bowl of fruit with green tea. For dinner, you can have tandoori chicken, plus you can have a bit of side salad, and you can either have this with 1 cup cooked rice, or you can also have this with 1 roti. For even all the other days, you can end your day with either half cup of turmeric milk, or you can also end your day with 1 cup of green tea. On your day 4, start your day with a warm cup of ginger, lemon and honey tea. For breakfast, you can have a berry and spinach protein smoothie. For your snack at 11 a.m., you can either have a handful of nuts or 1 piece of fruit with 1 cup of green tea. For your lunch, you can have Moong dal chilla. Again, the recipe for this will be in the description below. Again, for your 6 p.m. snack, you can either have 1 bowl of granola, or you can have a handful of nuts, or you can also have 1 piece of fruit. And for your dinners, you can have 1 bowl of warm vegetable upma. Then you can end your day with either 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. 5, you're going to start your day with 1 glass of amla juice. For your breakfast, you can have a veggie and egg scramble, which you're going to take 1 egg plus 1 cup of mixed vegetables, whatever vegetables you have available at home. For your 11 a.m. snack, you can have 1 bowl of granola or handful of nuts. For lunch, you're going to have chicken and vegetable lettuce wraps. You're going to take 60 grams of chicken, and you're going to take 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Plus, you can add all the spices that you want. You can also add a few tablespoons of hoisin sauce to this. Again, for your 6 p.m. snack, you can have either 1 bowl of poha, or you can have even your favorite fruits plus a cup of green tea. For your dinner, you can have 1 bowl of masoor dal plus either 1 cup of cooked rice, or you can have 1 roti plus side salad and plus half cup of yogurt. This will help you in digestion. Before bed, you can either have turmeric milk or green tea. Let's start your day 6. For your day 6, you're going to start your day with a warm cup of ginger tea. Then for your breakfast, you're going to have a very high protein pancakes. The recipe will be down in the description below. 11 a.m. snack, you can either have a handful of nuts, or you can also take your favorite fruit. For lunch, you can have a black bean and sweet potato quesadilla. 6 p.m. snack, you can have 1 bowl of poha or your favorite fruit with a cup of green tea. And for your dinner, you can have a big bowl of warm chicken soup. Again, you can end your day with either turmeric milk or green tea. So this was the end of your 7 days winter weight loss diet plan. This 7th day, I always keep it flexible for all our members. You can eat something else out of the meal plan in proportion, of course, or you can just follow any of the earlier 6 days. Now this meal plan is a general meal plan. Again, like I told in the beginning of the video, if you want a personalized diet plan for yourself, you can enroll in GoFit's meal plan program, where we will be giving you weekly customized diet plans, consultations, access to hundreds of our recipes, easy to make recipes, and so much more. So if you want to enroll in GoFit's meal plan program, the registration link is in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope this winter you don't end up gaining a lot of unnecessary weight, and I hope you also stay active, get in a lot of physical activities, go for walks whenever possible. Do share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys next week.